Welcome back to the Bricsys Digital Summit. I'm Syssauw, Head of BricsCAD Product Management and Development. Let's look at what Bricsys is building for you in the future. We have a vision for BricsCAD, guided by 4 principles that Kathy showed you earlier. These focus our teams on what to deliver for our community of users over the next 3 years. And that future is looking really bright. Let's see why. Firstly, as Kathy noted earlier, some companies are leaving behind users on a CAD-based design platform. But rather than abandon users, we keep innovating with best-in-class tools and products for you, whichever products you use from BricsCAD. Secondly, we all know designing is complex. Unfortunately, so are the tools, and that's frustrating for users. To simplify our users' work, we are committed to creating powerful tools with a really amazing user experience. So we are going to give you tools that are easy to use and easy to learn. Products that our users just love to use. Thirdly, we are not just a great CAD product doing the same as every other CAD software. At Bricsys, we are on a mission to take the design efficiency and productivity to the next level through workflow automation and innovative tools. BricsCAD will continue to invest heavily in R&D. And finally, we know design is often part of a larger ecosystem, but your AEC data is quite often trapped in silos and walled gardens. We are committed to never trap your data, allowing you to take your data wherever you want it, wherever you need it. We like to achieve this by further unlocking interoperability and to continue our commitment to deliver an open platform. Open, with the full power of all features through industry standard APIs. Okay, let's explore what this means across the BricsCAD family of products. At the core of BricsCAD are BricsCAD Lite and BricsCAD Pro, our solutions for 2D drafting and 3D modeling, including Lisp. As we are demonstrating, CAD is very much alive. CAD will remain a powerful platform for design innovation, and we will continue to deliver innovation on our core platform. Our CAD users will not be abandoned. Quite the opposite. We continue to innovate your tools and workflows. In V23, we take significant steps forward again in many different areas, such as the release of our first set of drawing health management tools. In addition, we are significantly expanding our drawing recovery tools. And of course, Bricsys is also part of Hexagon, so in version 23, we have some really exciting new features in our civil and point clouds capabilities. Designing is complex, so is the user experience. So we keep our user experience at the center of our focus as we develop powerful tools to be intuitive and simple. Starting with V23, we are rethinking workflows and our user experience while we rejuvenate our toolset by upgrading our front-end technology step by step. We are also investing more to better understand our users' needs via user programs, more engaging beta programs, and data collections. At Bricsys, we are on a mission to take the efficiency and productivity of designing to the next level. We are automating as many steps as possible in the design workflow to free designers from those laborious steps. So as designers, you can focus on creative and value-add tasks. And what's more, this will also help to reduce the time between inquiry and billing. We want to bring this unrivaled efficiency and productivity to our users by cutting-edge technology and artificial intelligence. And we already have great examples like our Blockify, Propagate, Copy Guided. In version 23, amongst many others, we are further improving our optimized 2D and copy-guided 3D features. As we said, designing is quite often part of a larger ecosystem. So designers must be able to work across multiple disciplines, multiple teams, and multiple companies. Above all, Bricsys is committed to never trap your data in walled gardens. We will unlock your data and allow you to import and export your design data wherever you want, whenever you want it. BricsCAD will continue to deliver the best in industry compatibility with DWG and IFC standards. On top of this, BricsCAD is building an open platform with our industry standard BRX APIs at the center of our focus. We continue to make it stable and high performant, and at the same time, our APIs unlock access to give you the full power of our toolset. This helps you to customize BricsCAD for any need, assisted by thousands of third-party applications. You will see in later sessions on version 23 that we made good progress again in this area. Okay, so now let's explore the user challenges we want to solve with BricsCAD BIM. We want to increase BIM adoption, specifically amongst CAD users and Lite BIM users, by making 3D AEC workflows accessible to architects, contractors, and surveyors, but without the complexity of other BIM solutions. So what guides us to challenge with BricsCAD BIM in BIM? Top of the agenda is to keep building out our BricsCAD BIM product and functionality. One important aspect that we want to focus on is 3D to 2D. We want to make it much easier to create beautiful drawings in 2D from 3D. We have the fundamentals for a flexible 2D drafting, and we are going to build on top of that. And whatever we develop, automated steps will give users really efficient workflows. In V23, we are proud to release several features, like our improved stair 2D representation. 3D modeling is at the heart of our BricsCAD BIM, and we want to continue to simplify our tools for your productivity. We are going to automate parts of our 3D modeling and further perfection our existing flows like Scan to BIM. In version 23 in particular, we have, for example, several enhancements like our type plans feature. All of our audience here knows what it's like working on the same design against tight deadlines. To make this seamless, we are currently working towards enabling teams to design together. Over the next releases, we want to bring the best coordination and collaboration tool, and we will make internal collaboration enjoyable and external collaboration through cloud-based collaboration possible. Adopting BricsCAD Mechanical is the best path to the benefits of Industry 4.0. Industry 4.0 is about more than simply production. Smart connected technologies can transform how parts and products are designed, made, used, and maintained. At the core of this new business model is the requirement to integrate and automate as many stages of the design to production process as possible. BricsCAD Mechanical enhances production throughout by bringing more flexibility to the process. Our clients use this increased flexibility to reduce the time gap between customer inquiry and final invoicing. For BricsCAD Mechanical to lead in CAD, the 2D mechanical design foundation will be solidified, completed, and simplified. For users working with 2D design, BricsCAD Mechanical offers a cost-effective, familiar DWG-based solution that is fine-tuned for their industry. Our commitment, starting with V23, is to provide key 2D functionality, 2D mechanical annotations and symbols, standard parts libraries, design support aids like viewing scale projection lines. For the best-in-class productivity, BricsCAD Mechanical will go beyond providing the typical parametric 3D design capabilities common in the market today. We are looking at the needs of a 4.0 industry, and for that future, we will automate critical portions of every design to production task. You can expect to see over the next 3 years tools that automate conversion of functional 2D schematics into fully 3D constrained assemblies with BOM content, the creation of intelligent product configurators, the generation of 2D drawing layouts with dimensioning and detail views. And finally, For our users who need design products in the context of a building, like BIM to fabrication, we aim to provide more efficiency end-to-end design, specifically in the AEC world, which is quite often an exercise that starts with the CAD, goes into BIM, and finishes with the fabrication of very specific objects. BricsCAD Ultimate helps you to move from concept design to detailed design and documentation all on the same platform. So we will improve interoperability with BIM data from any source, including our own industry-leading BricsCAD BIM software. And we'll automate design for manufacturing and assembly, DMFA, and the creation of production documentation. You know that with any other end-to-end solution on the market, you must use 3 different tools, different licenses, and 3 different skills. And as for the integration in between those products, well, let's say not always as optimized as you need it to be. With BricsCAD Ultimate, you can do everything end-to-end with 1 tool, 1 license, and 1 skill. We continue to focus and optimize workflows from one area to another area, like building out our advanced scan to BIM, or optimize our BIM to mechanical integrations. Our breakout sessions will feature these exciting developments more in detail. So, as you can see, we are having an exciting release of BricsCAD V23 for you today. So now let me hand it over to my colleague Jens to show how the Bricsys 24/7 team has improved the 24/7 product. Jens?